today we're going to discuss HOGWORKZ color matched lower vented fairings for 94 to current touring models. We offer these in a wide range of OEM color matches painted right here in Michigan. The best part about these, they'll install on any standard engine guard and can be easily upgraded to house a 6.5-inch speaker. You can also install our lower vented fairings if you're running a HOGWORKZ chin spoiler. Let's jump into a quick installation with Alex.
So these are going to come fully assembled with the cap on, and then basically what you do is pull the cap off, mount it up. It comes with the mounting hardware, the 2 brackets and screws included. Alright, so installation is pretty easy. What you want to do is drop your little box door down, take your U-clamp and insert it on the inside here. Then hold it with your hand like that. Alright, so then we go ahead and get it in position here. And then with the other part of the bracket, the U-bolt, go ahead and slide this over. And then just loosely hand tighten your nuts on there for now. Alright, so once you got your top U-bolt in and your nuts just hand tight, go ahead and take your bottom mount, wrap it around your bar, and you want the flat part facing up towards the bottom of the fairing. You slide this down into position, take the bottom of the clamp, push it up, take your screw through the bottom, and then on the inside you want to put your washer and your screw. So now we'll want to go ahead and snug up the top U-bolts here, and when you do this you want to do them evenly. You don't want to crank one side all the way down, then it's not going to put even pressure on it. So take that one in till, I usually go till the nut's about flush on both sides, and then from there you can just kind of go every other. And again, this is just keeping it so that it puts even pressure on the clamp to the bar. Alright, then went to your 5/32 Allen. We'll grab the bottom. Go ahead and tighten up your 10 mil nut here. Alright, so lastly you want to install the front cap here. There's a little tab here. You want to make sure that you put that in first into the side. And then once you got that in, rotate it around a little bit and it snaps right in. And then on the inside through here, you take your 5/32 Allen wrench and your screw, and right in the center here there's a screw hole, and you'll put it through there and it'll tie this together. And close your door. Alright, so again we'll take our U-bolt and put it through the inside, and make sure you got your bracket and your nuts for the outside ready. Go ahead and put this in position. Once you got it in position, take your bracket, put it over the bar, through the bottom of the fairing. And we'll want to go ahead and snug up the front here. Once your top and bottom mounts are secure and tightened down, you go ahead and put your cap on the front. Again, this little tab here goes in the corner here, so you want to start with that. And then on the inside, 5/32 Allen, and there's one screw right in the center, and that will lock it all down.